Thanks again to Sean Korol for being our guest horseman. There were so many great and unique builds this month. You really celebrated the sport in every way. In April, our theme is Super Details, and we welcome Armorkat Auto Works as our guest horseman. Any casting you want. Add details for realism or to make up where the manufacturer left off. Side view mirrors, roll cages, steering wheels, stuff to go into the pickup's bed. You get the idea.
This is one of 10 builds we have on our 2026 schedule. For more information or to see recap videos, check out the 4 Horsemen Diecast YouTube channel.
4 Horsemen builds are open to all. You do not need to have a YouTube channel or social media presence of any kind to participate. Just send a high-res 16:9 widescreen glamour shot, preferably on white or light background, to 4horsemendiecast@gmail.com to have it included in the recap video. Send your glamour shots on the due date, which is usually the last day of the month. But if you have a social media presence, be sure to use the hashtag 4HorsemenDiecast, all one word, so people can find your creations.
We would love to see your builds in next month's challenge. Check out the schedule for the 4 Horsemen at 4 Horsemen Diecast on YouTube. Thank you and cheers.